there isn't. There are, negative, there aren't. There was, there wasn't. There were, there won't. Be careful with the pronunciation. There won't, won't. There were, there won't. There will be, there won't be. There's going to be, there isn't going to be. There aren't going to be. There's been, there hasn't been. There have been, there haven't been. There can be, there can't be. There could be, there couldn't be. There should be, there shouldn't be. Negative, negative. There must be, there mustn't be. There may be, they may not be. Right? There might be, there might not be. There had been, there hadn't been. There could have been, couldn't be, couldn't have been. There should have been. There should. I even get bored because it's too boring, right? But you need to master that thing. There shouldn't have been. There must have been. There mustn't have been. There may have been. There may not, have not been. There might have been. Now interrogative. Is there, for example, is there a pencil over here? Pencil? No, but there is a towel over here. Are there any pencils over here? No, there aren't. Was there any pencils over the table, on the table, yesterday? Okay. Were there, will there be any people on in the streets at night tonight? Is there going to be any people who's going to watch these videos? These video? Interrogative questions. You have to invert the subject and the verb. Have there been? Can there be? Could there be? Should there be? Must there be? Had there been? Could there have been? All right. With all this, all right. Okay. Now we're going to pass from the the most important verbs apart from the verb to be. All right. The verb to go, you have, to want, to do, to get, to know, to give, to make, to think, to come, to like, to need. All right. All right. Now, but there are other verbs which are very important, but not so important, but very important. There are another 45 verbs you need to know. To leave, to leave. I'm leaving the place. To see, I'm seeing you. I can't see you, but you can't see me. To put something on the table, on the fridge. To say something. To tell, more or less is the same thing. To 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 see again, it's repeated. I don't know why. Speak, to speak. To talk, to take. I've taken this book, right? To hear a voice, a noise. To call, I'm calling you, or you calling me. To listen, listen. You have to listen. Stay, stay here, right? Just to use. I'm using this book to help you with your English. To ask me questions. If you have any doubts about the channel, about this, ask me anything, Ask me anything. All right. Uh, then you have to hope. I hope so. I hope so. I hope that something good will come to you, right? To look, to work, working. Working to make money, right? You work to make money, or in order to make money. To start something. I'm starting the lesson, right? To finish is the opposite. To wait. I'm waiting for you to come to me. Right. To bring me some. Water, please. I'm thirsty. To cut something. For example, I'm cutting this book. All right. To cut. To feel. What? How did you feel? To find. I can't find my keys. Where are they? To keep. Right. To keep something with you. Keep your keys in your pocket or in a safe place if you like. To let. To allow something to let. Dejar. To let. I can you lend me some money? To mean. What do you mean? What does it mean? To run. To run. Right? To move. I'm moving the book. I'm moving it. You see? Can you see? To plan. I'm planning this class in advance. To play. To sing. Right? To show. To show something. I'm showing this book to you. All right? To try. Try to study. Try to study. Try to study harder. To help. Can you help me with this channel, please? By subscribing, by becoming a member. To miss. I missed something yesterday. To pick. To pick the book. You can pick a book or anything. You can pick a towel or anything. Unimaginable, right? To stop. To be quiet. To stop. Be quiet and stop. To wish. I wish everything is okay with you. To last. Duración, right? Is the verb duración. To set the table, please, or set up, or set, right? To lose, I lost my keys. To fall is falling down. Something is falling. A tree can fall. You cut the tree, the tree or the tree falls down. All right. Uh, okay. Okay. All right. Yeah. Uh, yeah. Is there anyone over there? No. All right. So I'm alone. And now there is another list of verbs. To begin, to begin something, right? To buy, you buy things with money, or you credit by using your credit card. To write, you write letters or books or whatever. To understand, can you understand me when I speaking English? To stand, I stand up, and I'm now sitting down. You can either sitting down or standing up, right? To buy, no, to buy, no, to understand, to sit. I'm sitting down now, right now. All right, I'm sitting down. All right. To win, to win a race, to win money in a lottery, to spend money in the casino, or to waste money as well. To meet, would you like to meet me? To read, I'm reading the verbs now. Right now, I'm reading the verbs. To forget, oh, I forget something to do. To eat, I'm eating. Every day I eating something. To drink, to cost. How much does this book cost? Probably 12 euros, something like that, $12. All right. To break something, to cost, to slip, to throw. I'm throwing this or something, a ball. You know. To teach. I'm teaching English to you. To fight. I'm fighting you. or girls, mothers will fight me back.